Dadu. Dadu?
Moina, you are back from the city?
Ha Dadu, I just got back. Dadu, what is all this?
Your city has made you forget the problems of your village.
You've become a farmer.
No. Come, I'll show you something.
Okay. Dadu, let me carry this.
That's Pinky. She's 6 years old and she looks very stunted. There is Raju and he is also low weight for his age. That's Gopi. He is 8 years old and he looks very weak according to his age. 41.2% rural children are stunted, 38.3% are underweight for their age, and 21.5% are wasted. Do you know why?
What does this have to do with?
It's not just the kids. 54.2% women too are anemic.
Is this because they don't have enough to eat?
They do, but they don't get the right amount of nutrients. Green leafy vegetables like amaranthus, palak, methi, leaves of Bengal gram, leaves of radish, etc. play a very important role in improving hemoglobin content in the blood, thereby reducing anemia. Yellow and orange vegetables like papaya, pumpkin, carrot, sweet potatoes, oranges, mangoes, amla play very important role in improving eye vision. Vegetables like broccoli, palak, cabbage, leaves of radish, leaves of pumpkin, methi, amaranthus are good for strengthening bones. National Institute of Nutrition recommends at least 100 grams of fruits and 250 grams of vegetables each day for growing kids. But actual consumption in villages is very less. All of this combined with poor sanitation, improper cooking habits, unhygienic drinking water, chemical pesticides in food, they only make things worse. You were asking what this is. To address all these issues, RNG could be one of the solutions.
Dadu, isn't all this expensive? I mean, maintaining, buying seeds, pesticides.
Not at all. It's cheaper than going to the sabzi market. And we don't put harmful chemicals in our crops. It's completely, what do they call in your city? Organic? Organic means chemical free.
Yes, and in the city, they charge us more for that.
Also, I can choose what I want to grow. I don't have to depend on the local market. Earlier, we had to go 20 kilometers to the next village to buy bengan for your grandmother. She loves it so much.
But Dadu, how do you know not get worried about maintaining it?
That's the benefit of having the nutrition garden right in your backyard. I don't have to worry about my fruits and vegetables. I can check on them whenever I want.
All this sounds so amazing. I wish I could prepare an RNG in my house.
Your balcony might be a little small for that. But if you want to prepare one, I'm helping the village make one tomorrow. You can prepare an RNG anywhere, in your backyard, in schools. We are preparing one in the Anganwadi tomorrow. You want to come?
Really? Yes, Dadu. I'd love to help.
Good.
Come inside, you two. Chat later. I have made baigan ka bharta for lunch. Is this where we are preparing the RNG?
Yes, it's very important to pick a place that gets enough sunlight. Also, it should be an enclosed place. We don't want our cows to eat up all the vegetables, right? What will we eat?
Dadu, what are you doing now?
Measure 15 feet. We have to draw a circle around this.
Let me do it.
Good. Now draw 5 more circles inside it.
Done.
Now divide the biggest circle in 7 parts and draw a line from one point to the second circle. Then draw another. Now let's make a pit 2 feet deep into the center so that all the weeds, crop residues and kitchen waste can be composted. Well done all of you. And now the final step. We have to make beds.
Why, Dadu? Is it sleeping time?
Not that bed, Ritu. We have to make beds of soil and FIM 1 feet high. Raised beds can be prepared during rainy season to avoid waterlogging. Sunken beds are ideal during summer due to high temperature to avoid moisture stress. Enough work for today. Tomorrow, we will sow the seeds.
Are you sowing potato seeds? No, this is onion. Dadu, I love tomato. Please, can we sow tomato?
Tell me, Latika, what month is it?
It's July. Dadu, what does that have to do with tomato?
Everything. Tomato grows in the Kharif season. Kharif is from July to October.
So what can we grow now?
October to March is Rabi season. We can grow lots of things like potatoes, cabbage, brinjal.
Oh yay! I like brinjal too.
So does Dadi. From Jayat season, March to June, we can grow cowpea, groundnut and many more vegetables. Ensure that there is enough water available for crops to survive and yield better. Drip irrigation system in the nutrition garden would reduce wastage of water, ensure uniform distribution of water in the beds and reduce intensity of weeds. To reduce evaporation of water during summer, mulching with straw or green biomass is ideal. Mulching also reduces intensity of weeds. At household level, used water from kitchen can also be diverted to nutrition gardens. Okay, now there's one more thing left to do.
What's that, Dadu?
To grow healthy, nutritious crops, even the soil has to be nutritious. It can be made so with things like compost. Vermicompost used in preparing beds serve as primary source of nutrients to crops. Liquid manure like liquid farmyard manure, Amrit Jal, vermi wash, compost tea and dung brew are sprayed to overcome nutrients deficiencies. Crop rotations with legumes will enhance soil fertility.
Dadu, these pets are eating our food.
So you decided to play pakda pakdi with them, huh? Use yellow sticky traps, blue sticky traps to manage pests. Installation of pheromone traps is installed to manage bollworms. Water traps are installed to manage brinjal fruit and shoot borers. Spray neem leaf extract, chili garlic extract, neem seed kernel extract, etc. at least once in 15 days to repel away pests. In case of any disease incidents like root rot, wilts and damping off, then drench the soil with 1% Bodor mixture. In case of any foliar disease like leaf spots, blights, rust, etc., then spray 1% Bodor mixture. Repeat the spray 8 to 10 days if the disease still persists.
What's that for, Dadu?
To reduce external dependency on seeds, select and tag healthy plants that are disease, insect pest free and free from any kind of nutrient deficiency. Select healthy pods or fruits from such plants for seed selection. Harvest them separately, clean, grade and stored for using them during next season.